When renting a vehicle from a rental company, should you purchase their insurance policy that they offer? This is one of the more common questions that we get, and something that I've shot a video on before, and I gave you my professional opinion and my personal opinion, which were different at the time. Now we've had a recent instance in our office where one of our clients got a letter from the rental car company. They rented this car back in February, and now it's June, and they're just receiving a letter saying that there was damages to the vehicle while they rented the car that they're being held responsible for. Now, when they went and they turned the vehicle in February, nobody said a word about anything, about any sort of damage. They just turned the vehicle in. They heard nothing from anybody until they just got the standard form letter, from Budget in Sedgwick, which basically helps them collect on any damages for it. So as you can imagine, my customer was shocked to receive this letter. They thought everything was fine when they turned in their rental car. But Budget is claiming that they owe them $1,164. So now on there, only $600 of that is the actual damage to the vehicle. $350 of that is loss of use of the vehicle. Basically mean when that car was being repaired, they're not able to rent it out, so they are losing money, so they are charging the client that. Now that is one of the damages that your regular insurance policy is not going to cover, so that would be an out-of-pocket expense. There's an administration fee that's thrown on there. I'm sure that's Sedgwick's fee that they're charging for this. And then there is diminished value on there. So now that the car's been in an accident, they are not able to resell it for as much. But that is only $60 of it. So, but pretty much the vehicle damage is only $600. The other, half of this, claim that they're saying is basically the loss of use, administrative fee, and diminished value. Those are things that are not going to be covered by your insurance policy. So I guess based on this letter, my personal and professional recommendation would be buy the insurance for it, or check with your credit card company that you're renting the car through to see if they provide coverage for any of these options in here. Now, beware, because my client had said, hey, when I turned in the vehicle, there was no damage to it. I didn't, there's no issues. I returned it in the same condition that I received it in. So, we recommended that he call Budget to inquire about this. He did. They investigated it, and they found out that the damage occurred after the mileage that he had turned the vehicle in on. So it was not his damage. It was someone after him who rented the vehicle created the damage. So don't just accept this stuff, because they make it very easy for you to pay this claim. They have a link in here that basically says, hey, go online here, provide your insurance information or your credit card. We'll handle everything for you. Basically meaning they're going to file this claim with your insurance company to get their payment for it. And I don't know if the insurance company is going to ask them about mileage or turning down the claim, especially for something that's maybe this small of a dollar amount. Maybe for a larger one, they would. Yeah, I would definitely always call first to verify that this damage is actually your damage that you caused while you were driving that rental car. So I hope you found this tip helpful. If you'd like us to help you with your auto, home, or business insurance, feel free to give us a call. Thanks, everybody.